Hey flower friend, let's talk about creating a flower with multiple vendors. If you purchase flowers from multiple growers and wholesalers and want to create multiple entries for one particular flower, you are in the right place. EveryStem will not allow you to create multiple flower or item entries with the same exact name. So instead, you can create entries with slightly different names, denoting each supplier, allowing you to have the same flower from multiple vendors in your library. Let's use ranunculus as our first example. When they are in season here in Texas, let's say I like to buy them from a local grower with the initials WF. But when they are not in season, I typically buy them from my wholesaler whose initials are AFC. I'm going to open up the Create Item modal and type my first entry, ranunculus white WF. I'll fill out the rest of the information, and then I'll click the teal Save to Library button. Then, I'll change the information in the modal slightly to create my second entry. I'm changing the initials here after the flower name to AFC to represent my local wholesaler. I'll adjust the price and stems per pack if I need to, and then click the teal Save to Library button again. Using this method, you can price each entry differently and have both entries saved in your library. By naming the flower with the initials of the grower or wholesaler and entering that vendor's wholesale price, you'll have them available when you add flowers and items to the recipes in your events. This is helpful for flower farmers if you grow flowers yourself when they are in season, and then buy from wholesalers other times of the year to supplement your orders. Later on, it's easy to change the price of a flower or item, or delete one of the entries in your library if you want to just go back to one item entry. Alternatively, you can make one entry for each flower or item and then change the vendor and price information inside the event whenever you need to order from a different vendor. If you have any questions, please send me an email.